Song of a Baker by the Small Faces, heavily influenced by the Ocean Colour Scene version. The intro is D, C, G, A. Bit of a weird timing on it. Play your own way, I think. Have a listen to the record, but something like that. So then it's D, G, A, G, D, G, A, G, A, C. There's sweet telephone and aching in me. So, over the first part of the lyrics, it's is a D, to an A, to a C, G. So you can do some little like fills on it. So there's fills, and then it crashes into the chords again. So it's D, A, C, G. So what am I doing there? Well, I'm just playing the light strumming on the D. Sweet telephone. Maybe pick out a couple of the notes on the A. And then on the C, it's like just. So I'm playing the fifth and the fourth string on the C. And then I'm hammering on and off with the first index finger on the B string. Classic. Sweet telephone, and aching. A, C, G, and so to my aching in me. And then you've got the I Can No Longer Stand and Wonder bit, which is D, A, G, D, and the G and D are quite quick, so I can no longer stand and wonder, 'cause I'm driven by fire, so I'll just some more. Oh shit, so I'll just some more, make some fire, so, wait, yeah, thinking of love. So you've got the I Can No Longer Stand and Wonder bit. I don't know what you call it. Pre-chorus? I don't know. D, A, G, D. So it's D, A, and then wonder. Quite quick on the G, D. Wonder. Stab each. I can no longer stand and wonder. So you might want to do two on the D. I can no longer stand and wonder. I can no longer stand and wonder, 'cause I'm driven by hunger. And then you got a nice little bit, so I'll jug some water and all that bit, which is just D, A, C, G twice. So I'll jug some water, make some fire, store some song, wait, yeah, and thinking of love, thinking of me. So that's what we did before, D, A, C, G. So I'm really gently, for the arpeggio, thinking of me. And the baker will come, and the baker I'll be. I am depending on my labour. So back to the D, A, G, D bit. For texture and the flavour. And then the solo comes in. God knows what he does on the solo. I'm not going to transcribe the solo. I'm playing it kind of in the E minor position there. Am I playing maybe D major pentatonic? Because the song's in D. If you know your major pentatonics, if you know your pentatonic shape, just quickly, 1 4 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 4 1 4 1 4 1 4 1 3. Well, if you have your root note on the E on the 12th fret and you play it that way in that position, then that's an E minor pentatonic. If you start the riff with your little finger on the E, it becomes an E major pentatonic. So you could play this in D major pentatonic with your little finger on the D. Anyway, you do work out the solo, and then out of the solo you got a nice little bass riff, which goes so Ronnie's doing that under part of the solo, and then when on the Ocean Colour Scene version, they crash into that one with Steve Craddock going nuts. Sounds terrific, and I think I'm gonna do that as also as a little bit of an end to the song as well. So the bass riff starts on a D, D on the 5th string, 5th fret, and then down a string to the 4th fret. D string, which is an F sharp note. Ooh. Then you play the next note, which is a G. So the notes you're playing are D, F sharp, G, and then little finger on the A. 4th string, and then up to the A on the E string, play the same pattern. Then I repeat that note here, which is an E note, which is on the 5th string, 7th fret. Do I do that? No, I don't. Yeah, no, that's how I used to play it and it was wrong. So C on the 3rd fret, 5th string. And so it goes C, G on the 5th fret, 4th string, the D string. And then run that down to the 3rd fret, F, and then the 2nd fret, E. So what we've got so far, you've got on the E note, then it goes to the G on the top string, 5th string, B, C, D. So the whole thing slowly. Now the solo thing, it goes back to the D, A, G, D. I can no longer stay. Going out of tune. 'Cause I'm realized. So I'll just think the way I'm going to play it in my band will be wrong probably, but that's and so in the mind I can no longer stand and wonder, 'cause I'm dreaming about this hunger. So I just want and make so far, so wake out, thinking aloud, thinking of you. And the breaker will come, and the breaker I'll be. I am depending on my labour. Yes, mate. I'll be down in a second. Yes, please. Sorry. And then you got your solo. Good, I've got my doing. Make it up. And then you've got I can no longer wonder, 'cause I'm living by hunger. So I just want and make so far, so wake up. And then I'll be into it. Have fun.